Hello everyone, welcome to Lakshmi Bee TV. We are here at Pacific International Runway and we're going to be showing our brand new Lakshmi Bee collection.
Tonight you can expect to see a lot of bright colours influenced by the tropics, as I was born in New Guinea, and obviously Lakshmi is part Indian, so we have a rich cultural background which we're expressing through our designs. So there's a lot of colour, we are inspired by nature. So there's a lot of birds, butterflies, flowers. As you can see, sunflowers feature a lot in the collection this time.
And of course, as some of you may or may not know, fast fashion is still one of the biggest contributors to our world's pollution. Of course, with all of our collections, everything that you see is upcycled and recycled from old clothing, fabric scraps and fabric offcuts. Everything we're wearing today has also been recycled. We both made our own dresses and today we are going sunflower theme, as you can see. So we're really excited. It's such an honor to be here and we just want to thank Faye and the entire Pacific International Runway crew. This has been such an amazing event to be a part of and work at. We've met so many awesome designers who've flown in from around the world in the Pacific Islander community, and there's such a warm, beautiful spirit of love and family here. It's really, really cool to be here and to be a part of that. We're about to go on very soon. We'll see you guys after the show. Bye.